Hello, amazing artists. Let's continue our lesson on simple gifts. We are using the beautiful illustrations by Chris Rashka in the book adapted from the Shakertoon, Simple Gifts, for inspiration of our drawings. Let's begin. First, we're talking about flora and fauna. Flora are plants, and fauna are animals. Since this song is about simple gifts, gifts that nature gives us, we're going to use simple shapes. I bet you can see all the geometric shapes in these pictures. So let's draw a simple gifts picture inspired by Chris Rashka. I have here a couple of drawing examples. Can you see the simple shapes? Which is the flora and which is the fauna? Here's another one. Flora, fauna. With your pencil, let's start with our animal. Today, I'm going to choose to make a rabbit, but you can make any animal you like. It could be in the water, on the land, in the sky. What animal are you going to make? What shapes are used to make that animal? My animal is going to be a rabbit, so I will start with a circle head, circle body, circle leg, oval feet, circle paws, triangle nose, circle eyes, oval ear, and a bent down oval ear. I'm going to press lightly with my pencil and use sketching lines. I'm going to do this as I work through the different parts of my animal. If it helps you to have a photo of your animal in front of you to look at while you are working, you might want to consider looking something up or finding a photo so that you have something that can guide you along. You can see I'm just using my imagination and I'm thinking about shapes. Sometimes I don't complete the whole shape, but I know that it's there. I know that. There's a rest of a circle there. I can see it with my imagination. I know that. There's more of an oval over here. It's underneath this circle. Oh, don't forget this. Okay. This little bunny has a little spice to her. She's sticking out her tongue. Remember, draw lightly, draw slowly. Pressing lightly is key. And don't be afraid if you mess up. That's why we press so lightly, so it's easy to erase. Now that I have my fauna, I need to add my flora. So I'm going to start by making the ground. I don't draw it directly underneath my animal because I know that there's land behind and beyond my animal. So I'm actually going to draw the ground higher up on the paper. Use my imaginary line to go across the paper, not drawing through my animal, and come out on the other side. I'm going to use some simple shapes. Triangles to make some grass. And now I can add my plants. I'm going to start with my favorite shape, circle. Then a line, circle, a line. This might not show all the circle. That's okay. Overlapping shows where something is in front of something else and creates depth. I'd like to have somewhere else to color though. So I'm going to add another circle inside my first one. This way, the donut part gets to be one color and the inside gets to be another. That was fun, but I think I need some more. Maybe this plant grows in groups of 3 on top of each other, or maybe one just by itself. You don't need to draw the sun. This is a close-up of your animal. It's not a big landscape, so we don't need to put the sun in the picture. I'm going to create balance by putting a similar plant on the other side of my picture though. It's kind of like when you put bookends on either side of a stack of books. Balance helps the picture look more unified, and unity is something that we look for in art. Okay, does it look balanced? Do you see any gaps? I see one. And there we go. Have fun drawing your flora and fauna.